Still copy-pasting Facebook group answers into a spreadsheet, one member at a time? Yeah, that gets old fast. Today, I'm reviewing a tool that fixes all that. It's called Group Collector, and there's a lifetime deal on it right now you'll want to check out. If you manage a Facebook group, you probably already know the pain. You ask new members questions, right? Maybe something like, what's your biggest challenge? Or drop your email for a freebie. But as soon as you hit approve, Facebook deletes their answers. And unless you copied it manually, that info is gone forever. It's clunky, it's time-consuming, and it's a missed opportunity to connect, build your list, and learn about your members. That's exactly where Group Collector comes in. It's a simple Chrome extension that grabs your new member answers, saves them to a Google Sheet, and get this, can send the emails straight to your email marketing tool. It also lets you auto-approve or decline members based on the criteria you set. So if someone skips a question or gives a fake email, you don't even have to lift a finger. Here's what it actually does. Captures new member answers and saves them automatically. Sends emails to your autoresponder. No Zapier needed. Lets you approve or reject members without clicking manually. Works with tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and more. Helps you create a Facebook custom audience with collected emails. In short, you save time, grow your list, and make your group more useful without doing extra work. Now here's the best part. Normally, Group Collector costs $297, but right now, it's available on AppSumo for a one-time payment of just $79. No subscriptions, no monthly bills, just lifetime access, and a 60-day money-back guarantee if you don't love it. I've tested it with one of my own groups, and honestly, it just works. Setup takes a few minutes, and once it's running, everything is automatic. I no longer have to dig through requests or worry about losing leads. Plus, new members now get an email from me right away, which makes a great first impression. If you run any kind of Facebook group, whether it's for business, coaching, courses, or community, this tool will save you hours every week. If this sounds like something that would help you, check out the link in the description. It helps support the channel and gives you the best deal available. No pressure, but if you're tired of the manual grind, Group Collector is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.